everyone, welcome to the Cosmic Kids Zen Den. I'm Jaime and this is your place for a few moments of blissful peace to feel all calm and relaxed. First, let's get comfy. Sitting on our bottoms with our legs crossed, we bring our hands to our knees and take a big deep breath. That's better. Now we get the Zen Den ready so we can really enjoy this time. I think we need some music. Wow, look at all these sounds we get to choose from. Let's pick some that make us feel all lovely and calm. The sound of a garden. Birds in the trees. And twinkling chimes in the breeze. Lovely. Now, what about smell? Ooh, let's see what we've got here. Look at all these. I'm not sure about the cheese or that smelly sock. Let's go for the strawberry. A sweet, delicious smell. With our busy lives, we have so many things buzzing around in our heads. It can sometimes feel like a whirly, burly snowstorm. With so much going on, we get tired. We get all jumbled up and we can't think clearly. Can you see all the stuff clouding up our heads? The snowflakes are like our thoughts flying around in all directions. We need to settle the snowstorm with our secret trick, our breathing. Ready? Let's see if we can calm this snowstorm down. We sit nice and still. Can you close your eyes and tune in to all those pretty sounds? Wow. We can maybe hear some other sounds too. And if we're very quiet and we listen very carefully, we can maybe hear our own breathing. Yes, we can. We can slow it right down and breathe, listening to it going all the way in and all the way out. All the way in, all the way out. That's it. The snowstorm is starting to settle. You're doing really well. Let's keep going. All the way in, all the way out. Last time. All the way in, all the way out. Opening our eyes. Well done, everyone. Did you notice how calm it made you feel? Yes, me too. All of the snowflakes, all our busy thoughts have settled, leaving a lovely, clear, fresh space in our minds so we can see our way again. Next time you're feeling dizzy busy or worried by stuff, let's see if those deep breaths will help you. Thanks for visiting the Cosmic Kids Zen Den. I hope you come back soon for another lovely relaxation. Bye bye.